What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing the first kind of mod for the Cayman. I have here an embossed with the Porsche crest, little armrest for the little center cubby. So here, as you can see, this right here, it's hard to see because I'm in the garage right now, but has this. The new one has stitching down the sides of leather and a big Porsche crest here. So I'm going to show you guys how to install that. It's quite simple. You just need the right tool. So here's a better look. I have that blanket here to catch the screws. It's this little cubby opens. There's a little thing in here, and then the aux, which I have this little janky rig here to connect so I can get aux music in my car. But yeah, that's that. So this I'm replacing. We already took one screw out just to make sure I had the right tool and know how to do it. And then there's the other ones. Let me show you guys how to do this. So for this, you need a little hex tool, and you just go in here. See the screw, put it in, and you turn it and unloosen it. It's hard to do with one hand. Boom, see? It's loose, and then you'll take it out, and I'll do that off camera. So I got the second one out, and it's easy if you just put them in here, store them, and then I put a blanket here because if they fall down the side of the seat, it's gonna be a pain to grab. So just take all of these screws out. I'll do that off camera, just save some time. So it's the next day. We had a strip screw, had to get out. So now you take this off once you have all the screws out, and then you get your replacement, and I'll show you what to do next. So funny, yesterday I was trying to use that like hex tool. This is the tool you're supposed to have. This has a little star, it's like a star, like a torque spit. That's the right tool, but we didn't own one, so I have one now. So here's the replacement. This is off Suncoast Porsche. It's the a good parts page for Porsche if you want to buy stuff. You put it just down here, and then you line it up. All right, so there we go. There's the new part. Now we just got to screw it down. There you go. This might be a little easier. So I have one in now to hold it in place. Just put the screw in. Use the right tool. Line it up. It's a little tricky angle being like kind of behind you, but there we go. And then screw it in. We'll do that with all 8 screws, and then just like that you're good to go. So I'll show you guys when I'm done. There we go. So the new little center console lid is installed. All the screws are in place. Look at that. Looks amazing. Obviously the stock piece is just flat, nothing special. This has the stitching on it and the Porsche crest, which looks beautiful as always. Great looking logo. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You just want the right tool, because if you don't and you're using the wrong one, then this little shape can become a pain. But yeah, look at this tool with a little star shape on the end, and you should be good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. If you want to buy this part, I'll put a link to it in the description below. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one.